Let me now get you the latest in the investigations in the Raj Kundra alleged porn racket story. Now, sources in the Mumbai police have told India Today that there have been more explosive revelations from the WhatsApp chats. Sources also say that a hard drive has been recovered. That hard drive is being sent for forensic examination. According to the police, this was the computer that was used to upload some of that material. What about actor Shilpa Shetty? Now, sources in the Mumbai police insist, at least at this stage, there isn't anything against Shilpa Shetty, but they aren't giving her a clean chit just as yet. Our Maharashtra bureau gets us more.
A porn scandal straight from Maya Nagari, Mumbai. A celebrity businessman's dark secrets are tumbling out.
मुझे वीडियो कॉल पे न्यूड ऑडिशन के लिए कॉल किया गया था। तो पूछने पे उन्होंने बताया कि राज कुंद्रा की कंपनी है, आपको बहुत अच्छे पैसे दिए जाएंगे।
The porn ring probe is getting murkier with new allegations every day. Bollywood diva Shilpa Shetty's husband continues to be in police custody over his alleged involvement in the racket. The police on Wednesday seized a server from Kundra's Mumbai office. They believe the server may have been used to upload pornographic content on the apps run by Kundra's company. India Today has also accessed more explosive WhatsApp chats of Kundra that date back to November 2020. The alleged chats suggest Kundra had sensed trouble and asked his associate to remove bold content from the app. Kundra gave the instructions at a time the government summoned OTT heads. Kundra's sensational WhatsApp chats reveal he had already suspected that agencies might raid his company. To add to Kundra's woes, the police have not ruled out his wife Shilpa Shetty's involvement yet.
अभी तक कोई एक्टिव रोल नहीं पाया है. We are investigating the case.
The police are speaking to all the women who spoke out against Kundra to find out about Shilpa's role, if any. Bureau Report, India Today.
As police investigations intensify, some models, actors, YouTubers, they've come forward and offered information about Raj Kundra, his company, and the activities that were on. Now, Poonam Pandey or Sherlyn Chopra, they've made some revelations about what kind of contracts were offered and the nitty-gritties of this business. But it's not just them. Gehna Vashisht, at the heart of this controversy in the eye of a storm, says there is a difference between porn and erotica. Take a look.
Sleazy photo shoots, actresses lured for a break in Bollywood, and then porn videos uploaded on an app. This is Raj Kundra's dirty picture, and it is completely exposed now. Actresses Poonam Pandey, Sherlyn Chopra, Sagarika Suman, YouTuber Puneet Kaur. One after the other, these divas have hit out at Shilpa Shetty's husband, and the list is only growing. Believe it or not, both Poonam Pandey and Sherlyn Chopra were booked in the same pornography case for which Kundra is behind bars. Sources tell India Today that statements of Poonam and Sherlyn have been recorded and they have made stunning claims against the businessman. Sherlyn allegedly had a contract with Raj Kundra's firm, Arms Prime Media, to provide pornographic content for some app-based companies outside India. She alleges she was promised 50% profit, which was never given. In February, she is alleged to have given a statement as to how Raj Kundra had pushed her into full-fledged porn. Poonam Pandey narrates a similar story as Sherlyn. She even moved Bombay High Court in 2019, filing a case against Kundra, alleging they used content featuring her even when the contract had been terminated, and even accused Kundra of leaking her phone number.
अगर राज कुंद्रा मेरे साथ ऐसा कर सकता है, मैं तो भी एक नॉन पर्सनालिटी हूँ, तो औरों के साथ क्या हो रहा होगा। मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, दरख्वास्त करूँगी उन सारी लड़कियों से कि आप प्लीज़ बाहर आएँ, और अगर आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ है तो आप आवाज़ उठाएं।
A YouTuber called Puneet Kaur has also called out Raj Kundra. In her Instagram story, she says that Kundra had messaged her about his erotic app, Hot Shots. She ignored it, thinking it was spam.
You know where we're going. We're going to Hot's world, folks. Hot.
I don't think you said it right.
Hot's world.
Hot, it's hot shots.
No.
Do you know English?
Model Sagarika Shona Suman claims she was asked to give a nude audition for a video by Kundra's company.
मुझे वेब सीरीज़ के लिए ऑफर आया था, बट जब उन्होंने डिमांड किया कि आपको ऑडिशन देना होगा, तो मैंने कहा कि अभी कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, तो ऑडिशन कैसे, मैं वीडियो बना के भेज देती हूँ आपको। तो उन लोगों ने मना कर दिया था। जब उनका कॉल आया था तो वो लोग उन्होंने जो उनका पहला वर्ड था, उन्होंने कहा आपको न्यूड ऑडिशन देना होगा। तो मैं समझ चुकी थी कि वो लोग किस चीज़ के लिए डिमांड कर रहे हैं।
Serious allegations against Shilpa Shetty's husband, accusing him of sleaze. But there are some who have supported the tainted business tycoon.
मुझे राज ने कभी फोर्स नहीं किया। मुझे वही पेमेंट दी गई जो मैं डिजर्व करती थी, जिसके लायक थी मैं, और मुझे उससे कोई इशू नहीं थे। ठीक है, मुझे कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं था। मुझे कभी सेट पे कोई परेशानी नहीं की गई। मैंने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है और बहुत अच्छे से फंड रिलीज किया।
Controversy queen Rakhi Sawant too backed Shilpa's husband.
राज कुंद्रा जी एक अच्छे बिजनेसमैन और एक समाज सेविका हैं, और वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं। इज अ लेजेंड।
So is Raj Kundra the director of this dirty picture? Kundra has denied any role, but the proof is mounting as more women are speaking out against Shilpa Shetty's husband. Bureau Report, India Today.
Shifting focus to the